If we don't have that new habit practiced every single time, every single day. You see, back then before I ordained to become a monk, when we sit on the chair, our leg always, shaking like this. And as a man, I have that habit too. After I ordained to become a monk, when I sit and eat, I still do that. And I didn't realize that though. I didn't realize that. Until one of my friends, which she looked at me and she say, Venerable, what are you doing? I said, I didn't do anything, I'm eating. And then she smiled at me. And then later she asked me one more time, and I start to question myself, why she keep asking me that way? And I look around, look from top of my head down to the bottom of my feet, and I see my leg is shaking like this, right? And I said, oh, okay, this? She said, yes. And starting from there on, every time when I sit down, I make a determination. I will not let this happen again in my life, because now I'm a monk. And then from there, I sit and I use my hand to grab my knee. Okay, I grab my knee, and then automatically with the old habit, it will shake, right? And then I tell myself, it vibrate all the way up here, and I tell myself, nope, stay still, and I hold it back. And then start talking, start doing things, and it start again, quickly, very quick, because of the habit, right? And then I hold it, I tell myself, no, 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 no. Keep doing that for a while, and then one day it gone completely without my noticing. I didn't even realize it's gone. That is a way to change the habit. We need to have a new habit to replace the old habit.
Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dhammaya, Namo Sanghaya. Habits are created through repetition, and they can also be changed through repetition. Sometimes we continue doing things without mindfulness. One small action repeated every day becomes a powerful habit. But the Buddha taught us that with awareness and determination, any unwholesome habit can be transformed. When we notice a bad habit, we should not become angry or discouraged. Instead, we should patiently train the mind again and again. Little by little, the old habit becomes weaker, and a new wholesome habit begins to grow. Real change does not happen in one day. It happens through mindfulness practiced every single day. So always remember, to remove an old habit, we must create a new and better one. May you all cultivate mindfulness, wisdom, and inner peace.